Have you ever wondered how you remember things like your favorite toy, your friend's birthday, or the words to your favorite song? The answer lies within the incredible power of your brain and its ability to store information. A process known as memory. Let's dive into the fascinating world of memory and discover how your brain holds onto important information. Understanding memory. Memory is like a superpower that allows us to recall past experiences, learn new things, and navigate through our daily lives. It involves three main stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding, this is the process of converting information into a form that the brain can understand and use. When you learn something new, like the name of a new animal or how to tie your shoes, your brain encodes this information by forming connections between neurons, the cells that make up your brain. Storage. Once information is encoded, it is stored in various areas of the brain for later use. Think of your brain as a vast library, with different shelves and sections for storing different types of information. Some memories are stored temporarily in short-term memory, while others are transferred to long-term memory for more permanent storage. Retrieval. When you need to remember something, your brain retrieves the information from its storage areas and brings it back into your conscious awareness. This is like searching for a book in the library and pulling it off the shelf to read. Types of memory. Memory can be divided into different types, each serving a specific purpose in our lives. Sensory memory. This type of memory holds onto sensory information from our environment for a very short period, such as the sight of a beautiful sunset or the sound of a bird chirping. Short-term memory, also known as working memory, this type of memory temporarily holds information that we are currently using or thinking about. For example, remembering a phone number long enough to dial it. Long-term memory. This is where information is stored for an extended period, sometimes for a lifetime. Long-term memory can be further divided into explicit, or declarative, memory, which includes facts and events, and implicit, or procedural, memory, which includes skills and habits. How the brain stores information. The brain stores information by forming connections between neurons, called synapses. When you learn something new or recall a memory, these connections strengthen, making it easier for your brain to retrieve the information in the future. This process is often referred to as synaptic plasticity. Neurotransmitters, chemicals in the brain, play a crucial role in the storage and retrieval of memories. For example, the neurotransmitter dopamine is involved in forming memories related to pleasure and reward, while acetylcholine is important for learning and memory formation. Tips for improving memory. While the brain is amazing at storing information, sometimes we need a little help in remembering things. Here are some tips for improving your memory. Pay attention. Make sure you're focused and paying attention when you're trying to learn something new. Practice. Repetition and practice help strengthen memory connections in the brain. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics are techniques or tricks that help you remember information more easily, such as acronyms or visual imagery. Get plenty of sleep. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, so make sure you're getting enough rest each night. Stay organized. Keeping things organized can help your brain stay on top of information. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and color coding to help you keep track of important tasks and information. Stay active. Did you know that physical activity can boost your memory? Regular exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which can enhance memory and cognitive function. So, get moving and keep your brain in top shape. Eat brain-boosting foods. Fuel your brain with nutritious foods that support memory and cognitive function. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, such as fish, fruits, vegetables, and nuts, can help keep your brain sharp. Stay curious, keep your mind engaged by learning new things and exploring new hobbies. Curiosity stimulates the brain and promotes the formation of new neural connections, which can enhance memory and cognitive abilities. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can help reduce stress and improve concentration and focus, which are essential for memory formation and retrieval. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and your ability to remember things. Positive thinking can boost confidence and motivation, making it easier to learn and remember new information. Make connections. Your brain loves to make connections between new information and things you already know. Try to relate new information to things you already understand or have experienced. This can help strengthen memory recall by creating associations between different pieces of information. Use visualization. Visualizing information can be a powerful memory tool. Try to create vivid mental images or visual representations of the information you're trying to remember. For example, imagine a colorful story or picture that includes the details you need to recall. Teach others. They say the best way to learn something is to teach it to someone else. Sharing what you've learned with others not only helps reinforce your own understanding, but also strengthens your memory of the information. Take breaks. Give your brain time to rest and recharge by taking regular breaks when studying or working on tasks that require concentration. Taking short breaks can help prevent mental fatigue and improve memory retention. Practice retrieval. Actively recalling information from memory is a powerful way to strengthen your memory. Instead of simply rereading or rewatching material, try to quiz yourself or summarize the information in your own words. This forces your brain to actively retrieve the information, which can enhance memory recall in the long run. Stay hydrated. Did you know that dehydration can impair cognitive function and memory? Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Challenge yourself. Pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and tackling challenging tasks can help stimulate your brain and improve memory. Whether it's learning a new skill, solving a puzzle, or tackling a difficult problem, embracing challenges can lead to growth and enhanced memory abilities. Review and repeat. Repetition is key when it comes to memory retention. Reviewing and repeating information multiple times over spaced intervals can help reinforce memory and improve retention rates. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and let your memory be your guide on the journey of discovery. Our brains are incredible organs capable of storing vast amounts of information. By understanding how memory works and implementing strategies to improve it, we can unlock the full potential of our brains and enhance our learning and cognitive abilities. So, embrace your inner explorer, and let your memory be your guide on the journey of discovery. Memory is an incredible ability that allows us to learn, grow, and navigate the world around us. By understanding how memory works and employing strategies to improve it, we can unlock the full potential of our brains and make the most of our lives. So next time you need to remember something important, just trust in the power of your amazing brain.